We are going to pick up, how much weight? 2,000 pounds?
1,500 plus 800 pounds of weights.
Make about 12 to 1,500 profit on this. It's gonna be good.
Life is a canvas awaiting its color. The journey begun with a fragile tremor. Sun that awakens, the moon on its way. A river that flows won't return any day. It's laughter and childhood, game fighting past. Discovering the world, one more to the last. Sorrow concealed, the pain deep enough. An open wound aching and absent love dealt. It's seeking direction, a beacon of sense. In every footstep, in every heartbeat, until life doesn't let go. A soul breathed through life, a beautiful gift we must treasure with life.
Alright, y'all take care. Will do. Sure everything's secure back there?
Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Start slowly. See? Good people.
Alright, we just picked up the weights. I wasn't expecting that much.
Oh yeah.
How much
Got
is that?
everything. A lot.
Let's head home. Okay, so this is the haul we just got. What do we got here?
A lot. Basically a complete set of Olympic Rogue with the most massive plate rack I've ever seen. We got half Rogue, half fitness gear, 2 dumbbell racks, and a trap bar, which is
A Rogue trap bar, which is double the size of any trap bar
Paid
I've seen.
$1,550 for it, and we're going to make close to 2,000 on the dumbbells alone.
Yes.